In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a lost iPhone message and phone number on the lock screen on your iPhone 16 series. Now, if someone uses an iPhone and they know how to access your medical ID, so on the lock screen here, someone can access medical ID by pressing on hold on the side button and either volume keys, and they can swipe across medical ID. In here, they can view your record, such as emergency contacts, or if you have add in a note like if you find my phone, please call this number. So you can write a note in here, but some people, if they don't have an iPhone and they don't know how to access that screen, then they will not be able to go into that screen. So if you just simply be able to write a message on the lock screen, it will be much easier. They can view the message and they can make the call. So the first thing that we need to do is go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, what we're going to do is we're going to swipe across to go into the app library, and you want to look for the reminders app. Reminders, open that, and then we tap on add list and then choose where you want to save it to. We're going to select iCloud, and then we give it a name. So here I'll write my first message. So the first message is if fine, please call, and then we go down and tap on done. Next in here we add in a message, so new reminder, and we add in the phone number. So phone number could be say 40432111. This is just an example, not a real number. And then tap on done. Okay, and then we swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now next we're going to lock the phone, and on the lock screen touch and hold. Then we tap on customize. In here we tap on the lock screen. We want to customize the lock screen. Then we tap on the widget panel. In here I'll delete this widget, and then tap on add widget here. In the widget list, scroll down, and then we tap on reminders, and then tap on that to add it to your widget panel. In here we're going to tap on it, and then we select a list, and we're going to select this list here called if find please call, and then close that, and then close that window, and then tap on done, and then tap on here to close the edit. And that's it. We are now back on the lock screen. So we have successfully written a message. If fine, please call that number. So that's it. So that is how you can write a lost iPhone message with a phone number on the lock screen on your iPhone 16 series. So that is kind of like a workaround, because iPhone doesn't allow you to have a way to write a text message directly on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.